When you think about the idea of true wealth, it isn't about flaunting your possessions or making a grand show of your financial success. Instead, it's about embracing virtues like modesty and humility. In a world that often prioritizes status and appearances, particularly on social media, learning to stay grounded and keeping a low profile can lead to a faster financial growth and ultimately a more fulfilling life. So here are 5 compelling reasons why looking poor can be a powerful strategy for building wealth and happiness. 1. It helps simplify your life. Living modestly simplifies your life, freeing you from unnecessary stress and financial burdens. Let's explore this concept through a more concrete example. Imagine that you're gifted a state-of-the-art luxury yacht. At first, it's exhilarating to show off your stunning new vessel, and you relish the idea of lavish weekends on the water. But soon, the hidden realities of ownership begin to emerge. Docking fees at marinas cost thousands of dollars annually. Routine maintenance, cleaning, and inspection requires specialized services, adding significant ongoing expenses. Insurance premiums for a luxury yacht can rival the cost of a small car. And fuel costs are exorbitant, especially if you're taking longer trips. Even though the yacht itself was free, the upkeep and operational costs quickly drain your finances and time. This illustrates the Diderot effect, named after philosopher Denis Diderot, who found himself spiraling into debt after receiving an expensive gift. His new possessions made his existing belongings seem inadequate, prompting a wave of upgrades that ultimately overwhelmed him financially. The lesson? Luxuries often bring hidden obligations, complicating your life and creating stress. Choosing a simpler lifestyle avoids these traps. By avoiding unnecessary upgrades or flashy purchases, you preserve your mental clarity, financial resources, and personal freedom. These advantages allow you to focus on what truly matters: building your future, pursuing your passions, and living life with a peace of mind. 2. It's significantly cheaper. Another reason to adopt a modest lifestyle is simple. It's cheaper. By resisting the urge to buy designer clothes, flashy cars, or the latest gadgets, you'll have more money to save, invest, and spend on meaningful experiences. Consider the habit of upgrading your smartphone. Many people own perfectly functional phones but feel compelled to buy the latest model simply because of the new features. Meanwhile, surveys reveal that 65% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Avoiding the temptation to splurge on every shiny new object allows you to build an emergency fund, invest in retirement, or even pursue education that could increase your earning potential. For instance, let's say you save $500 a month by skipping unnecessary expenses. In a year, that $6,000 could grow to over $287,000 in 25 years if invested with a modest 5% interest rate. You could use it to cover unexpected emergencies without resorting to debt. Or it could be spent on personal development that enhances your skills and income potential. Remember that every dollar saved can be a step towards financial independence, making modesty not just a virtue, but a smart financial strategy. 3. It attracts the right people. Living modestly helps you surround yourself with genuine people who value you for who you are, not for your possessions. On the flip side, flaunting wealth can attract the wrong crowd, those who are only interested in you for your money. When you surround yourself with people who feel the need to show off their wealth, the pressure to match their spending can lead you to unnecessary financial strain and misaligned priorities. It's a reminder that embracing modesty and choosing your social circle wisely are critical. By aligning yourself with people who value authenticity and shared experiences over material displays, you protect your financial well-being and foster deeper, more meaningful connections. 4. It makes you happier. A modest lifestyle encourages gratitude for what you already have. It's easy to take basic necessities like a comfortable bed, clean water, and access to food for granted, but many people worldwide lack these basic essentials. Shifting your focus to appreciating what you have can significantly boost your happiness. And research supports this idea. A 1978 study found that lottery winners reported similar happiness levels before and after their windfall. The joy from acquiring new possessions fades over time, leaving you in search of the next high. Instead of chasing fleeting pleasures, focus on experiences and relationships. Memories of laughter with friends, meaningful work, and personal growth are far more fulfilling than any material possessions. 5. It lowers retirement costs. Living modestly not only benefits you now, but also in the long run. By keeping expenses low, you'll need less money to retire comfortably. According to the 4% rule, you can withdraw 4% of your nest egg annually without running out of money. For example, a $50,000 a year annual lifestyle requires $1.25 million in savings. A $100,000 annual lifestyle requires $2.5 million in savings. Reducing your expenses means you'll need to save less, allowing you to retire earlier or work less stressfully in your later years. Additionally, modest living helps you manage debt more effectively. The average American carries about $23,000 in personal debt, excluding mortgages. Living below your means enables you to pay off debt faster, reducing financial stress and freeing up resources for more fulfilling pursuits. And a bonus benefit? It reduces risk. Keeping a low profile can also protect you from becoming a target. Flaunting wealth, whether it's on social media or in real life, can invite unwanted attention, including theft. The risks associated with showing off far outweigh the fleeting benefits of admiration. By living modestly, you maintain your privacy and safeguard your financial security. Embracing modesty and humility isn't about depriving yourself, it's about freeing yourself. By simplifying your life, saving money, and focusing on what truly matters, you'll achieve financial independence faster and enjoy a richer, more fulfilling life. Whether it's attracting genuine relationships, reducing risks, or lowering your retirement costs, the benefits of living modestly are undeniable. So take a step back, evaluate your lifestyle, and consider how living with less could help you achieve more. True wealth isn't about what you own, it's about the freedom and happiness you gain along the way. If you enjoyed today's video, then comment, like, and subscribe. And if you want to learn about 6 ways to increase your savings in 2025, then check out this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.